Hi guys, today I'm here to discuss and explain the Cambridge IGCSE ICT February-March 2019 paper 2 document production part. So actually this paper 2 consists of 4 tasks, that is a document production, then we have database, then mail merge, and then presentation. So by using Microsoft Word and word processor tool, we are going to solve this paper now. So let's see what they have given in this question paper. Yeah, that is February March 2019 paper 2-1. So in this question paper they said that you work for Tawara International School summer school and are going to carry out some tasks for them as they prepare the delegate list for a summer school in Jordan. So first of all, task 1 is our evidence document. We need to prepare our evidence document, and then we need to have our name, center number, candidate number on every page, and then we need to save it at the end with the candidate number. So I have here the evidence file. This is the one. Just open this file in word processor, and then you just need to rename and make sure that your name, center number, candidate number appears on every page of the evidence document. So we are just going to first of all insert the header, I'm going to write my name here, then my center number, then my candidate number. Okay, I'm just going to close it. Now save this one as, I'm going to create a folder on desktop, new name, and that is 2019 P2. Yes, and then I'm going to type here my candidate number, yes, 0297, and then I'm going to save it as a Word document for later use. Yes, then after moving forward to step number 1 of task 2, they said now open the file M21 archaeology.rtf in a suitable word processing package. So this is the one. Now edit it. Next step they said here, save the document in your work area in the format of the software that you are using with the file A190x.info. So we are just going to save this document as file, save as, with the name on desktop 2019 P2, and as they said, and then with the Word document format. Saved. Then they need an evidence that we have saved the file, so we are just going to our folder, and yes, this is the one. Yeah, here's my file name. Make sure the file type is clearly seen. Just print screen and then go to your evidence document and paste your evidence 1 here. Now you need to crop it because there is some unnecessary part of the picture also seen here, so we are going to crop it. Make sure that the folder name is not cropped. You see now the folder name is also here, and then your file name is also appearing here. Next they said change the document setting to be A4 with landscape orientation. So page layout, landscape orientation of the document, and then the page size A4 also. So I can change the page size to A4 from this point, and then set all margins to 2 centimeters. So here we have an option layout, and then here all margins 2 centimeter. All margin means only left, right top and bottom. You have nothing to do with the getter and its position. Just click on OK. And then next step, they said placing your evidence document, paper size, page orientation and margins. So I'm just going to click here on the page setup first. Yeah, I will just take the screenshot of this one, and then I'm going to save this in our evidence document. Click OK. Evidence document, evidence 2, paste, then crop it because there is some unnecessary part. So this unnecessary area need to be cropped always, so that your document is not disturbed. Like it is very clear, the screenshot I mean. So here next is it paper size and margins, and now we need to show the paper size as well, that is A4. Just print screen, OK, and open your evidence document and just paste here. Then you just crop it. You don't need the other part of this picture, that is enough. Yes, so you can make this one bigger now. That's it. And then next step, place in the header of the document an automated date field to display today's date left align. So I'm just going to include insert a header first, and on the left side they said today's date on left side. They did not mention which type of date, but you just click on quick parts. They said selected from the field, I mean the format they did not mention, so you select one of them. Yeah, that's it. And then they said your name, center number, candidate number, right align. Then your name, center number, candidate number, right align. Yeah, that is done. Then moving forward towards the footer, automated page number left align. Now we're going to insert a footer. Left align they want automated page number, and on the right side the file name and path. So here page number, always choose current position, plain number, and then on the right side file name and path. So again quick parts, file information, here we have file name with the path. Just click on close, and also remove this part of the header as well as in the footer. We don't need this one. Just click on close, and first of all I'm going to reduce the zooming to 100%. And then they said make sure that all item align to the page margins. Yes, it is done. No other text or placeholder appears in the header and footer area, and header footer appears on every page. Yeah, that is. The house style specification for paragraphs are, these are the house style specifications. These styles have already been applied to the document, so means they are created and applied as well. What we need to do is check that the style applied to the document are correct as specified, and match them to the house style specification. Identify and correct only the setting for the styles that are incorrect, and then those which are corrected you just paste the evidence of them. So let me start with the ARC title first. So ARC title, right click, modify the settings. I'm going to check now. We want sans serif and 20. Sans serif means Arial, like without strokes, the font, and then size is 20, and alignment is center, and then all capital. You can see here information appearing here. Single and after line spacing 12, so that is correct. Second one is ARC subtitle. ARC subtitle, sorry, you do one thing. Whenever you're dealing with such cases, you just be outside of the document, like without any text area, and then just check the changes here. Title, ARC title, yeah, this is done. Now subtitle, modify this one. Now they said again sans serif 18, right align italic 18 and sans serif, and then after single and after line spacing is 12. Okay, then next one is ARC subheading. Right click, modify. So subheading, they said here serif font, which is stamp 01, correct. Then the 16 and alignment is center, so here a change is need to be corrected. Center align the font, and then after they said we want bold and underline, not italic, bold and underline, and then after they said single and 12, so it is already single and 12, and underline, bold we made the changes, and center align. Click on OK. That is number 1 change. So what you need to do is just right click, modify. This is what you modified. Take a screenshot and then go to your evidence document and paste this one as your evidence number 3. Now you just need to crop the unnecessary part of the screenshot or the picture, so only the specified information, the specific information is available to be seen. Yeah, that is done. You just make it a little bit smaller so that it fit to the other page. Yeah, it is. Now next is they said ARC body, so let us make changes in that one as well. ARC body, modify. What they said, they want serif font, so it is Arial, which is not a serif font. So serif font, then after 14 and justified, 14 the font side and justified, but it is from left alignment. So format paragraph, change the alignment to justified. Okay, done. And then next is we want the first line indent 1 centimeter from left, and then paragraph line spacing they want double, and first line indent by 1 centimeter. That's done. Click on OK. And then next they said they need double, and after spacing they need 0 after spacing. So let me just check the after spacing. It is 0 0. Yeah, that is done. Now get a screenshot of this one. Click on OK. Go to your evidence document and paste your evidence here. Again you need to crop, so just crop the unnecessary area of the picture. Yeah, so it fit to that page. You just need to make it maximum little bit so both of them are visible now, or you can just make it little bit smaller so that it fit to that page. But if the information is not clearly seen, it means that you need to correct the screenshot then. Okay, no problem if it appears on 2 pages like that, even it's okay, fine. Next step is that change the page layout so that the subheading our new international course and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with the 1 centimeter space between them. So I need to go to the top of the document. Yeah, from this point onward select all the text, yes, and layout columns with 2 columns and 1 centimeter gap between them. Yes, that is done. Then next step, they said what they want to do, they want us to import an image of M219 forum.jpg. Place this at the start of the paragraph below the subheading YJRash. So here we have YJRash. Just click here and then insert a picture. Then you just go to your folder, yes, where your all files are. Yeah, we have our folder here. I have created one, yes, this one. We have inserted the image. Now what we need to do, remove the bottom third of the image. So we just need to crop the bottom third. So that is the bottom third almost, or you can just like that. That is enough. And then they said resize the image to 6.5 centimeter. So format the width 6.5 they said. So just type here 6.5. The image size is reduced, and now they said in the next step, align the image to the top of the text. The city flourished through left margin. Yeah, so to the first line what I need to do is square, and then I just need to left align and little bit align to the first line of the paragraph. Yes. The next step is make sure the text wrap around the image. That is done. Format the first row of the table by merging the three columns. So here this one, merged. Now next step is center align the text in the merged cell. So center align the text. Then next step is shade the merged cell with the light gray 20 to 40%. So here we have an option fill with 20 to 40% in between. So I think so 25% is enough. And then they mention that apply the ARC subhead style to the top two rows of the table. So select the top two rows and apply the subhead style to it. This is the one. Then next step, apply the ARC table style to the other rows. So select this one and then the other part of the table, which is here on the other page, yes, and apply to it ARC table style. This is the one. Apply, and then they mention that make sure that the table fit within the column width with no word split on text wrap. There is no blank row in the table, so we just need to remove this one. Right click, then delete the row. Yeah, and then they mention all the internal external border are displayed when the text is or the table is printed. So what we need to do is here we need to fix this row a little bit, yeah, with the arrangement of the table cells. Or you just select this one, right click, go to table properties here, by selecting this one, and just text wrapping is none, but still, yeah, you can make this one smaller a little bit, because this information appears on another page. Let me reduce this one. It should fit in one row, yes, as this row is little bit bigger, that's why we are facing the issue. Yeah, this row need to be reduced a little bit. Here we have more information, and the table should not overlay on other part of the column. So let's see what we have next. Yeah, we just need to check now the spelling and grammar check. F7, so we need to ignore this one. Yeah, huge we need to change. Then venturing need to be changed. Jerish is a name we don't know about, so let it be. Yes, yes, that is man Luke, so we just need to change this one as well. Jerish we don't know what is it, so we just need to the courses change and change. Click on OK. Now what else we need to do is we just need to fix our table only, I guess. Yes, our table need to be fixed a little bit. Wherever, make sure it is not overlaying. That is the important thing only we need to check. So if I reduce this one, maybe no, and we cannot even reduce the size of the font. Yeah, let me make this one a little bit bigger. No, the other row is also now shifted. So actually if the table remains like that, then you will have the issues. So at the moment we have some formatting issue, so we need to fix this one first. Once it is fixed, then you can just print it out. Okay, so next step here they said there is correct house styles are applied and spacing between all items is consistent, and then you just need to print your document with the same with the name and cent number and candidate number. So that is what they demand us in document production part, and we'll see you inshallah in next video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have learned something, and we'll see you next time.